Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1966 Plymouth Satellite. Awesome car, guys. I sold this car originally 7 years ago to a great guy. Unfortunately, he has passed away. I bought this car back from his widow. Awesome car. Originally, I bought this car from two guys here locally that built it. 04, 05, this car was originally built. It went through a complete rotisserie restoration. It's body color on the bottom. And really just a wicked cool car, guys. It is finished in bright blue metallic. It's got the black vinyl top, black vinyl interior. Underneath the hood, it's got a 426 cubic inch Hemi. It's detuned a little bit. It's not as crazy. If you want more horsepower out of it, there's definitely a ton more. Gentleman I sold it to has taken this car to, you name the car cruise, he's taken it there. Great car. He was a certified master mechanic. He kept this car impeccable. Really awesome car, man. Again, pretty bright blue metallic paint on it. It's got the black scoop, super stock scoop on the hood. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. It's got black chrome American racing wheels all the way around it. A little bit of a mini tub, but like I say, it actually is built to cruise. You can see how nice the chrome and stainless is on the car. There's very few little things that I can, nitpick on the paint-wise. He's kept this car gorgeous. Really just a good car, man. We got it in, we tuned it up, we changed the oil, did just a few little things like that. The one thing I will tell you guys, this thing has been sitting, so it's gonna need some miles put on it. It's got the dual seam vinyl top. Pretty car, man. You can see how nice these are. There's 2 folders full of receipts in there. Look at how nice that stuff is. Little dust, guys, sorry. Look how flat that thing is down the sides. It's got some Hoosier meats on the backs. Like I say, just a little bit of a mini tub, nothing crazy. It's not a race car. Like I say, he took it. I mean, every car show I think I went to, I would see this car sitting there. Disc brakes. It's got the stainless steel disc brake company force 10s on the front with the slotted rotors. Again, 426 Hemi. I believe this is a mega block if I remember correctly. Holley Performance 4-barrel. It's got a Mopar Performance intake on it. Does have headers. Power steering. You can see it's got all the March aluminum pulleys and brackets. High volume water pump. Does have 4-wheel disc brakes. Big Be Cool aluminum radiator in it. 727 Torqueflite. Automatic trans. It's got a 30... I think it's a 3200 stall converter in it. There's electric fans. This is the piece of chrome we're going to have to do. So it's got a little split in it. don't know if we can get that to hold down, or if we, I don't know if I can just buy that piece of chrome, to be honest with you. Or trim, I should say. Glass is nice. It's just a nice car. Really pretty car. Mirrors are nice. Nitpick that A-pillar chrome a little bit. Door handles are nice. Yeah, the local guys who had built this car were a couple of Mopar gurus and good guys. That's the original guys I bought it from. Bucket seats, console. It's got a Grant GT steering wheel. It's got all Mopar aftermarket gauges in it. Speedo works too, 85,000. That's the original miles on the body. The only thing I think that's, I take that back. The fuel gauge does work. So we just put fuel in it. Dana 354, sure grip in the rear. Of course, it's dual exhaust. Look how nice this car is, man. Just pretty. Just a little dust there, guys. Oh, this is all the paperwork on the build, man. You can go ahead and take that out, Jordy. I think this is a 15-gallon fuel cell in the rear. Dual batteries. You can see it's all body color. Good looking car. I love this body style anyways, man. See, the car is nice underneath, man. Again, it's an older resto, but very well maintained. Other than, like I say, the last couple of years here, it has been sitting a little bit. Good looking car, man. Got nice gauges. Go ahead, Jordy. There's 3 power switches at the bottom that got to be on when you start it. One's fuel, one's power. Nice car, man. Yeah, I like this car, guys. Car sounds good, doesn't it? Fuel gauge is up there. They do have the voltmeter, but everything else is actually right there. That all works. MSD box is mounted underneath the dash. I don't know about the radio. Does the radio work? I've never turned it on. I'm sure the blower motor doesn't. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's one of those fancy ones. You might be on your own on that one, guys. You have to check, make sure those are parked properly. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking at the button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I do one of these videos.